What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, this is a pretty exciting one. The past week or so have been crazy busy. We've been moving stuff around because, as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a new workshop. And this one we can actually work on the cars inside. The other one we had was a little lockup and you had to pull the car out every time, and if it was raining you couldn't work on them, and it was just a nightmare. So now we finally got good sized workshop and we're going to be sharing it with a couple mates as well, so there'll always be some stuff to do which will be fun. Today we're just going to be moving stuff to there and I'll show you guys around as well. So I'm going to go first of all pick up the 2JZ from, that's currently at Ross's place, and then I'm going to take that over there. Then we're going to come back, fill a van load up with all of our tyres because we've got like 30 tyres. And lots of car parts, and then I'll show you guys around the new place in a minute. Alright, so we're just clearing out the old garage now. It's the end of an era. This was our workshop, even though you couldn't work in it, to pull the car out every day. But yeah, so small. We have the van, long wheelbase Sprinter, and it's completely full with stuff. Crazy. We've got so much stuff in there. Didn't realise we had that much stuff. You missed a bit, Ross.
Spider-Man.
Yeah. Now we've got to drive up to the new place and unload it all and put it on the shelves and stuff. Knackered. We've literally been moving stuff around all day. But yeah, sad to see this place go. Not really, no. Not sad at all.
On to bigger things.
Yeah. But yeah, see you at the new place. You guys ready? Ta-da! The new workshop. Hell yeah. We brought the missile up last night as well. We got that picked up on a recovery truck. We've just done a bunch of van loads. Absolutely knackered. Yeah, basically, this whole area from there all the way down to there is ours. We're sharing it with me, Ross and Blake. It's going to be sick. We've just putting up racking at the moment. Got all the wheels back there. We've got some more racking to go up over there. We're going to fill that with all with racking, and then all of this can go up there. Got the workbench over there, press and everything. We've just been fitting loads of these sockets and stuff. Well, I say Blake's been fitting all of the sockets and stuff. That's looking sick because there was nothing here before. We're fitting some lights as well. There is a little hole in the roof here as well. We need to sort that because there's going to be cars here, so that's not going to be good. But yes, it is looking sweet. Didn't realise how many wheels we had until we moved. Look, there's so many. Most of them are dead as well. Yeah, the missile is looking sweet. We've got the JZ 2J there on the stand, looking sweet. I've, this past week, been flat out moving stuff here and sorting everything out. But next week I'm going to start working on this, strip it down and start rebuilding it. The other shelf in here, some of Blake's stuff. These are pretty cool. These are Blake's. It's BBS style 5 things. They're 10Js. Got a nice little lip on them. Very nice. Bought this to build the engine. Another style 5. Got this. Someone buy one of these spoilers. They're up for sale for like they've been up for sale for like ages. Like, yeah, cheap. I can't even remember how much I got them up for, like 50 quid or something. They're pretty sick.
BMW motorsport, bruh.
Oh, and another tyre there. You say something. I am knackered. Denise and Callum are going to be using this space as well to work on cars. That's theirs. We've just got this side, but I mean, it's so much better than the lockup. We've actually, I mean, yeah. I mean, at the moment it doesn't look like we got space, but trust me, once all this is put on the shelves, it's going to be sick. Looking fresh. What happened to my voice then? Fresh. The balls have just dropped. So sick. The engineer, got the workbench. Anyone want any parts? I've got shitloads of them. Don't need half of them. Looking sick. It's like a statue. Don't move, I can't see me.
I am a crane.
Oh, purple one can go there, and then Blake's Nardo will go there. That'll be sick. I mean, the purple one don't have to do much to it, it's just fit the engine. Don't have to do much to it, just fit an engine, but should be sick. Excited, Ross?
No.
Yeah, you don't look very excited. You look tired. It has been hard work. This is harder than working on cars. A lot of lugging around, but it's all empty now. Sweet. But yeah, there's the new garage. I forgot to film an outro, so I'm filming it now. I know today's video is a bit short, but I just wanted to show you guys the new workshop. Might not look like much to you guys, but around Brighton, trying to find a workshop is nigh impossible. Literally, we've been looking for years and can't find anything. And if you do find anything, it's either stupidly priced or you're not allowed to work on cars in there. This place popped up and it's perfect, really. We're allowed to work on cars. It's a nice area. It's good. It's nice. Can actually do some bigger jobs on the cars, because at the moment we can only do little jobs because we have to kind of put the cars back once we're done. We can't just leave them on axle stands, and it'll make the engine swap a lot easier as well, rather than trying to do it in a lock-up garage. Pretty happy about this place. It is sick. Been crazy busy the past week or so, just going up there, moving stuff around, trying to get lighting fitted and bits and bobs. But yeah, it's going to be sick. The next week's video, it will probably be fitting some parts of the Purple Coupe, because I've got some adjustable camber arms and I want to do the rear trailing arm bushes as well. And I'm also going to start stripping the engine this week, so it'll either be the Purple Coupe or the engine, one of the two. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.